Shalom, happy Hanukkah. We're standing right here by the Koisel Maravi, right away the Nes Hanukkah happened, and we all know, Shlomo Zalman Auerbach writes, that when you light the menorah, the Iker Kavanah should be only for the Nes of the Milchama. And that's how we also know, also from Alanisim, and also from by Shemon Esrei, as well as from benching. In the Tefillos, we only thank Hashem for the Milchama. We don't actually thank Hashem for the Nes Pach Hashemen. And we know that the real Nitzachon, the real victory, was in the Milchama. That was the main thing that we cared about. That was what we were fighting for. The Nes Pach Hashemen was like icing on the cake. So the question is, what's the connection between the two Nisim? Why did Hashem Dafken do a Nes in the Pach Hashemen? And furthermore, why then do we light a menorah? What's the connection between the menorah and the Milchama? The Torah doesn't have anything to do with each other. So the answer that I saw with Gedalia Shor and Al Gedaliyahu, and it's hinted at also in some of the other Sfarim, was that the menorah, the Iker of the menorah, was the semel, it was the symbol of the Torah Sheba'al Peh. The menorah came from there. The Netiv writes that Moshe Rabbeinu during the day, he would get the Torah from Hashem directly, straight line, and at night, he would go to the menorah and stare at the menorah and stare at the flames, and that's how he would get the inspiration for the Torah Sheba'al Peh. He would understand the Torah Sheba'al Peh from the Torah Shebechtav. And the Iker fight of the Maccabim, of the Chashmonaim against the Greeks, was the fight of the Torah Sheba'al Peh. We know that the Greeks, says in the Gemara, that the Greeks actually won in the Targum of the Torah Shebechtav. They translated the Torah Shebechtav into Greek. They looked at it as a Sefer Chachma. It was a good thing. They weren't against the Torah itself. In and of the Torah itself, they were not against it. What were they against? They were against that the Torah should be our life. They were against that the Torah should come from within us, that we should be special, that we should have a special connection to the Torah. And that's the Torah of the Torah Sheba'al Peh. The Torah Shebechtav, it's written, anybody can study it. That's not the special connection Klal Yisrael has to Hashem. The special connection Klal Yisrael has to Hashem is the Torah that's inside of us, the Torah Sheba'al Peh. And it was that was the fight against the Greeks. And therefore, the Nes of the Pach Hashemen was actually goof for the same Inyan. When they beat the Greeks in the war, they were fighting for the Torah Sheba'al Peh. That's what they were fighting for. The Torah should be our lives. The Torah is coming from us. And when they fought, and when they found the Pach Hashem and the Nes Pach Hashemen, that was the same thing. That was a sign from Hashem that yes, the Torah does come from you, and yes, you are unique, and the Torah Sheba'al Peh is inside of you. So we shall be zoche to bring out the Torah that's inside of ourselves, and to really live that Torah, and to really make that our focus of our life. And B'ezrat Hashem, we should be zoche to many more nisim like the Nes Pach Hashemen and the Nes Milchama of Hashem.